Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Kamrul Nahar, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. My dear students of class 4, today I am going to take your English language class. So all of you take your English language book. And our today's topic is form fill up, which is very easy and you have done it in your half yearly exam also. Then we will do model question number 7 and 8 from your book, and question number is 13. So all of you open your book and go to page 199. So let's start our class. Now look, model question number 7 and question number 13. So what is written there? What is our question? Suppose Sagar reads in class 4 in a government primary school. He lives with his parents, Mr. Nurul Kabir and Farhana Akhtar. So the name of the applicant is Sagar, and his father's name is Mr. Nurul Kabir and his mother's name is Farhana Akhtar. He was born in 12/03/2008. That means 12 March 2008. He wants to be a member of English language club. Now you have to fill up the following form using the given information. Now we will fill up the form, and Sagar wants to be a member of an English language club. That's why he will fill up the form to get admission in this club. So what we need? Name, father's name, mother's name, class, date of birth. Okay, let's start. So, at first we will write. Now look, MQ number 7, question number 13. So at first we will write English language club membership form. So this is our English language class membership form. And what is the information we need? At first we need the name of the applicant. Number A will be name. We will write serially. Now father's name, and then mother's name, and number D, class, and number E, date of birth. And now we will give colon in front of each term. And what is the name of this applicant? Now we will get from the question Sagar. So we'll write it here, Sagar. And what is Sagar's father's name? And father's name is given here, Mr. Nurul Kabir. Now we will write here Mr. Nurul Kabir. And number C, mother's name, and mother's name is Farhana Akhtar. So we will write here Farhana and Akhtar, Akhter, and class, okay, and Sagar reads in class 4. So we will write here class 4, and the date of birth, is given here. It means 12/3/2008. So we will write here the date of birth of Sagar. So now look, we have got all our information. Name of the applicant Sagar, father's name Mr. Nurul Kabir, mother's name Farhana Akhtar, class 4, and date of birth, that means 12 March 2008. So we have filled up our form. So do you think I have forgot anything else? Yes, I know. You have found it out. We need to attach photo with the form. And what do you think? Anything else? Yes, we will give our signature. So what is the name of the applicant? Sagar. So we will write here Sagar. And now we will draw a box . Now it's complete. So model question number 7 and question number 13 form fill up. So using this information we will fill up our form. And now we will do model question number 8 and question number 13. Let's read, and it is in page number, on page number 203. All of you go to page number 203. Now we will do model question 8 and question number 13. Okay, let's read. Suppose Samira reads in class 4. She lives with her parents MD Mukul Mia and Mosammad Sumaya Begum. Her date of birth is 02/01/2008. That means 2nd January. She wants to be a member of English language club, Bogura. That means the language club is in Bogura. Now you have to fill up the form writing the given information. It is English, it's given there in your book. Now look, English language club, 121 Green Road, Bogura. And what we need? The name of the applicant, father's name, mother's name, date of birth and class. So let's do it. So this is the English language club membership form. So we will add 121 Green Road and Bogura. Now here, at first we need name, and what is the name of this applicant? Samira. So we will write here Samira. We will write Samira. And now number B, father's name. So what is the name of the father? MD Mukul Mia. So we will write MD Mukul Mia in the place of father's name. Now we need mother's name. And what is the name of the mother? Mosammad Sumaya Begum. Now we will write here Mosammad Sumaya Begum. And now we need date of birth. So we will write here date of birth at first. So what is the date of birth? So we will find it out. And our date of birth is 2nd January 2008. And now the last one is class. And Samira also reads in class 4. So we will write here 4. This is the Roman number 4. Now look, she reads in class 4. So now you will also attach photo and give your signature. So what is the name of this applicant now? This time it's Samira. So we will write here Samira. So now our form is complete. We use all the given information from the question to fill up this form. Now look, the name of this applicant is Samira. So we also wrote here Samira, and father's name is MD Mukul Mia. We also wrote MD Mukul Mia, and mother's name is Musammad Sumaya Begum. Now look, Musammad Sumaya Begum, and date of birth 02/01/2008, and the date of birth 02/01/2008, and Samira reads in class 4. So we also write here class 4. And now there is a signature of Samira and the photo of Samira. So dear students, there is a homework, and this is homework number 4. Model question number 9, question number 13, and page number is 208. That means you will fill up the form from model question number 9, and the question number is 13. You will follow this class and you will fill up the form of model question number 9. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood our today's topic, and you will do your assigned homework regularly, and it's very important. Do you know why? Because your city, diary and SBM marks will be given on the basis of submission of your homework copies. So do your homework regularly and submit your homework on time. And you will submit your homework copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM in the school library, and you will collect your homework copy in the next Sunday. So keep practicing at home, study regularly and do your homework and abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.